Now, CBS 4 weather.
I'm Dave Warren for Craig tonight, and we have the wind turning to the north, and oftentimes at night you see the wind going off of either coast, and we're seeing that right now. Eventually it'll gust out of the northeast, but as long as it's like this, it has a chance to cool us off here tonight, and we are seeing the temperatures already dropping down to about 70. See that wind to the north, and as it turns northwest, it'll keep that shower activity there just off the coast. For right now, we are keeping an eye on radar. We had a few showers just off the coast, but mainland areas are dry, and they're cooling off into the upper 60s right now in Weston and Davie. Plantation is still at 70 degrees. Fort Lauderdale is still at 72. Miami's still at 70, but a few areas here into the upper 60s. Maybe a degree or two more to go before we hit our low temperature tonight. Not as cool in the Keys, where it's into the mid 70s here this evening. Across the area, look for temperatures to drop into the upper 60s here overnight. A little cooler with that light breeze. It's out of the north, just about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Maybe even a touch cooler the farther inland you go, but you'll notice a little chill in the air tomorrow. Briefly, maybe the humidity has dropped a bit. Real-time Doppler watching showers that have been off the coast, and they try to work their way towards the coastline, but they do fall apart. Maybe over Biscayne Bay, you might see a brief shower here, only impacting people off the coast if you are this evening, with maybe just a gust of wind. That's what is left of it here this evening. Now, we did warm up today. Temperatures into the 80s, barely. Miami hit 80, 81 in Pompano Beach. A few places did not make it into the 80s. Fort Lauderdale was the warmest at 83. A little cooler tomorrow with this cold front that came through. Satellite and radar track that, pushing to the south. Now we often see this when you get the cooler air coming over the warmer water, and that's that breeze which is picking up. Area of low pressure we'll watch in the Atlantic, but as the front moves east, it might absorb that, so not expected to develop. Temperatures will continue to drop here overnight tonight. By tomorrow morning, with that breeze starting to turn to the northeast, you get 70s right along the coast, but 60s inland, so farther inland will be a little cooler. And with that stronger ocean breeze, temperatures will be into the 80s there over the interior here. And we may get a few showers passing through the area. They stay off the coast and then push to the south, so we'll stay mainly dry here over the next few days. Offshore waters, as in the small craft advisory, use caution tomorrow with 3 to 5 foot seas. Choppy in the bays. 80 degrees tomorrow. Gusty at times with a mix of sun and clouds, and this is the area to watch. 10 to 20% chance of development as it continues to move off to the northeast. It'll get a little warmer over the next few days. By Thanksgiving, we're up to 82. Showers are in the forecast starting Friday. CBS 4 News Tonight. We'll be right back.